AE Singularity, Complete Walkthrough. This step-by-step guide shows all functions available in AE Singularity. If you still have questions, check out the F-A Kues or use the contact form on the shop page. Install Wizard. To quickly start working with AE Singularity, we created an Install Wizard. Here are the steps it guides you through. Select your tool folder, where all your tools will be from now on. Download our pre-configured category folders to use them as a starting point. It will auto-unzip into your selected tool folder. Sync your current After Effects state with the tool folder. This copies only those tool files from their default folders to the tool folder that aren't already there. Then distribute new tools from the sync folder into your category folders. Once this is done, you can start working with AE Singularity. All in one place. With AE Singularity, there is only one source for all your tools and tool-related files. It is one folder on your local drive that you define. The sync process. The sync process copies launch files for installed scripts, presets, plugins and extensions into a sync folder. But only if they aren't already in your tool folder. After the sync is done, you can place those new tools into their category folders. The sync process runs within the Install Wizard on your first time working with AE Singularity. And if you later install new tools, you can trigger it from the Settings panel. Additional tools. Once you distributed the tools from the sync process, you can add other tools into your tool files folder structure, like expressions and templates. To make an expression work, you just have to paste it into a text file and add the suffix _exp to the text file name. License files. We also support license files. Just add the suffix _lic to txt, RTF or email files and it will be identified and can later be opened directly from within After Effects. Installer and Research Archive. Next there are installers, local PDF, or web link tutorials, right next to your tool file. Folder and file cross-linking. We even support shortcuts to files or folders within the tool folder. Your own categories. The biggest benefit of AE Singularity is having your tools sorted into easily searchable categories. Tag naming. For your category folders, you can use any naming convention you want. We learned over the years that it is highly effective naming the categories in a tag-like manner. Adding all the names that are related to the category and have them as the category folder name. Ready-to-use folder structure. Instead of building your own from scratch, you can use our pre-configured structure as a quick starting point. It auto-unzips into your tool folder and includes the default After Effects tools, and we already distributed them into a category folder structure that has proven useful over many years of constant optimization. You can surely change the structure at any time to your liking and make it your own. You can download the structure right from the Install Wizard. If for any reason you would like to download it again, you can find the download function on the Settings panel. Search and trigger them all. Once you have the categories the way you like, and all tools distributed, you find the complete local folder structure in your AE Singularity panel. Search modes. You can search all tool types. Search for category folder names and tool names at the same time. Then just trigger them with a double click from the search results list. We even have an advanced search with folder and/or file distinction, multiple search terms, and an include or exclude function per search term. Keyboard navigation. We support keyboard navigation to navigate through the result list with your arrow keys and trigger the tool with the return key. Find related. When you click on a folder from the search result list view, you directly jump to that folder, but in an open state in the normal list view, so you even find those task-related tools that do not match your search term. Tool filters. The quick filters are there to only show specific tool or file types. You can use Alt-click on one filter to hide all other types, and vice versa. Folder or tool taskbar. The folder or tool taskbar springs open either by hovering the three dots at the end of the folder or tool row, or by just right-clicking it. Favorites and misfits. With the taskbar you can set which of your files or folders are your favorites. Once set, you can filter your favorites from the filter section. We always keep the parent folder visible, so you know the category your favorite tool is in. Or you can hide the misfits, using the taskbar. To recover them, just click the hidden icon on the filter section. Learn and research. Quickly find new tutorials for tools with an automated online search. Or find new tools to categories without the need to manually open your browser and writing a search request. Locator and list refresh. Quickly jump to the local file or folder location to reorganize things, and then refresh the list to see the updates in After Effects. Folder types. After you started AE Singularity and defined your tool folder, the first level of folders automatically are set to have the type, category. All other within the structure are set to be normal folders. The difference between normal and category folders is that you can hide the normal ones in a very special way. How to do that will be explained in the next feature tutorial, Auto Cleanup. You can, at any time, switch any folder between its status category or normal, using the taskbar. Auto Cleanup. Auto-optimize your folder structure for best possible accessibility. Hide empty folders. Which hides empty folders? Yes, simple. No, because it not only hides those that actually are empty on your local drive, but also those which become empty because of your tool filter settings. Hide normal folders. As normal folders are there to organize all sorts of files on your local drive, they mostly are not useful when it comes to quick tool file access. So with this feature you can hide all folders that are not category folders. But this is not just a simple hide feature, it actually reveals the content of those folders, while reducing the folder row to just a pixel high dotted line. Hide file extensions. To get an even cleaner result list, you can choose to hide all file extensions. That's AE Singularity, the modern tool system for After Effects. Get it now on haywood.tools, and make your life easier and your projects better.